JD Cap 26 here to do tips and cares and hobbies, and I want to talk to you about Walmart and Walmart delivery. With Walmart delivery, you get a person that delivers something to your house or apartment or whatever, and sometimes you have to call them and give them directions. The last 5 minutes, you'll see it on the map, the little car going towards you. So you want to call them, make sure you give them directions, because sometimes they don't know um, the address and such have you. Um, Also, with that, there's a tip, a mandatory tip, and I think the lowest is $4, and you could take that off afterwards after you do the tip. 20 in a 24-hour period of time, but not before that, or you'll be charged. And that goes. There's like 3 or 4 things that goes that your OTC won't pay for, and that's delivery, bags, and the tip, and actually it's 3 things. So it's delivery, tip, and bags they won't pay for. And for delivery, when it says delivery, that means it's coming from the store to you, either from your local store or another store nearby. When it says shipping, it means it's coming from UPS, post office, or FedEx. Okay, on that. So shipping, they'll charge you for shipping on an OTC order. So you have to be aware of that as well. So delivery, you get the person from their independent contractor that comes to deliver your item, and shipping, you get charged also. If you have any questions about how to order with OTC, please leave them in the comments below, and I'll try to best answer them for you. I hope you have a good day and a happy day, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.